Is that Puddly? You see, Fleet Pond in snow, decent snow.
Are you filming?
Yeah, go on. Catch Shudder! Hey! Where's it gone?
Straight there. Come here. Straight there. Come here. Come here. Straight there. What's he looking for?
That snowball you threw for him.
Here, straight there. Straight there.
Go on. Run deep!
Anyway, no, you can run though.